Hi guys! 7 tattoo machines are in one. Is true or myth? In this video review we are speaking about Ruby. It's from the company Defenderr. It's a rotary pen and we can choose the needle stroke. Watch this video. Now I will tell you. Let's go! My name is Olga Yakovleva. I am permanent makeup artist, trainer, cosmetologist and tattoo artist. All information in the video is a subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. It's a company manufacturer of professional equipment for tattoo and permanent makeup. The Defenderr company informs that the all equipment designed in the USA and is focused to the global market in Europe, CIS and the USA. The Defenderr company already presented different tattoo machines, pigments, cartridges and power supplies. As usual, we'll start off the box. From the outside, it's a white-red box with its name, serial number and logo of Defenderr. Inside, warranty card in English, spare parts and clip cord, RCA clip cord, spare parts, and Ruby, our tattoo machine. It's a rotary pen, it has a matte body, interesting mechanism in the top of the body, and name equipment. The weight is felt, the length is 118 millimeters. So, I will talk more about Ruby. You will don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will tell you very interesting information and share relevant content with you. The Defenderr company informs the machine weight is 165 grams. We will check it on the scales. On the scales, 166 grams. Despite its weight, Ruby has a good balance. I prefer the tattoo machine with a weight from 100 grams. I feel better work with skin, but your hand needs to get used to the weight. The Ruby is serious and a quite powerful equipment for artists who don't stand still and improve your skills, different techniques, permanent makeup areas and scars. It has 3 colors: black, bronze and chrome. It costs about $460. The Ruby is service and replacement of all its parts is possible if necessary, and device will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. The device is equipped with an inertial motor specially developed for Defenderr based on its extending for functional possibilities. Grip diameter is from 22 to 30 millimeters. We can sterilize the grip because it's fully removed. Based on the Defenderr instructions, their equipment, we can use disinfectant, autoclave and the high temperature sterilizer box to 100 Celsius. If you use the high temperature sterilizer box more than 100 Celsius, it can affect the color of grips. And the cool trick of this tattoo machine is its 7 needle strokes. You don't need to buy several machines to find the ideal needle strokes. Our device has the needle strokes from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters. Ruby can be a short stroke, hybrid and length stroke. How we change the needle stroke in this tattoo machine? At the beginning video review, we speak about an interesting mechanism at the top of the body. This is rotating mechanism that changing our needle stroke. We turn left or turn right this wheel, and in the little window we can see the new needle stroke. But really important, we can change and turn wheel only when our tattoo machine switched off. The working voltage is from 3.5 to 10 volts. The Ruby works with different power supplies and compatible with many cartridges. Let's turn on it. If you want to better understand equipment and techniques to improve your professional level in permanent makeup or get a new profession permanent makeup artist, I'm waiting for you on my online courses in English and Russian. I will show and talk simple about the most difficult. I will leave link on my Instagram in video description. I will work with the power supply from Defenderr and tattoo cartridge also from Defenderr with size 3001 RLLT. My working voltage 5. Ruby has a little noise and little vibration. The first test with the needle stroke 3 mm. Let's go, guys! Pixels are lying close to each other because we choose the short stroke. Second test with the needle stroke 4.2 mm. The pixels lie more air and blow become more sharply because we choose the length of the stroke. If you change the needle stroke, for example 3.9 or 4.2, the vibration and noise may get a little stronger. Let's sum up our video review. The Ruby designed in the USA. The machine weight is 166 grams. Its price is about $460. This tattoo machine will be covered by a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. The cool trick of this tattoo machine is its 7 needle strokes. The device can be a short stroke, hybrid and length strokes. It does all kinds of works: powder and hair stroke, lipstick effect, and work with areola and scars. The Ruby is serious and a quite powerful equipment for artists who don't stand still and improve your skills, but your hand needs to get used to the weight if you have worked with tattoo machine with this more lightweight. I will leave links where you can buy these devices from video description. I will be happy for your support, understanding and likes. Subscribe to the channel, leave comments and support us. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.